Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your own Twitch logo or YouTube logo in Canva. This is for free. This is the 2020 method. So if you guys do enjoy, drop a like and subscribe, does mean a lot. And we're only gonna be using Canva, so hop onto your browser and let's get into it. Okay guys, just to inform you that I'm not at my house, I'm by my grandparents' house. So yeah, excuse me for the noise. But once you start up Canva and you have created your account, see this is my account. It's a free account, it's not the paid version. But once you have opened it, you'll see it like this. All my designs is here, what I've made so far. But yeah, if you click there to all your designs, it will show what designs you have made. But let's go here. So you just want to make a logo. You click here, logo, and then you guys obviously want a gaming logo. So if you're telling me or you're telling yourself, no, look there. Yeah, but for you it looks cool, it's gaming logos. Well, I can tell you now that is useless. These are just templates. It doesn't look cool. Some people think it look cool, but for the brand it doesn't look cool. Use something unique like Apple's logo, Facebook, like things like that, unique stuff. But yeah, let me just do something here quickly. Like, let's go for example a white page, sorry, and then snapping like this for example. Let's go with youthful Yeti. Youthful. Sorry, I just ate the sour sweet. Youthful like that. Let's go there. Youthful Yeti. Okay, that's how I want to spell it. Also, what you want to do is you need to say like what is gonna be your brand's font. Like you can choose. There's a lot of selections. The things with the crown on, that's only for premium users. So you have a free account, you can't use that, but choose anyone. So for my one it's gonna be League Spartan. Okay, and let's just go with this. You can make the text bigger there, or you can just drag it like that. But also if you go down here, you'll see some more fonts. It's pretty cool. It depends on what your brand type is. But yeah, let's just use this. Let's use a different one. What was that one? Lavello. That looks nice. Okay, yeah, let's just use this one. Let's do that. Okay, center it in the middle. It's centered. No, there we go. So because it's a useful Yeti, you should have a Yeti's foot or something that is Yeti. Okay, just take rid of that. So if you go to elements, right, you will find different sections of stuff here. You'll get like icons, shapes, stickers, everything. So what we need is a foot. Search for foot. Okay, I like this one. It's nice. So our theme can be red and black, really. Red and black. go with that. And then maybe this. Not too sure. Maybe not. Okay, if you go down here, right, you'll see how it looks in a full screen. Maybe yeah, it looks okay. So now you just type in a Youthful Yeti logo. Okay, so I think that's fine. Let's add animation at the back. Will look better. Animation. Okay, let's say lines. Let's see what ones they have here. See this one. What color can this? Let's change this up. We can't do it that color. I can't also change that. Which really sucks. We have to go for a different one, guys. Let's see. Let's go for black, maybe. I'm thinking red. Let's go for red. Look for a nice one. Honestly, guys, I just think we should go for the red one. Let's try this one. Or maybe not. This just gonna be a logo. So yeah, let's download this. You can choose here by the file type if you click on it. What do you want? JPG, whatever one you want. MP4 video. PNG is for the logo, so let's click that. So if you want your logo and you like wanna use it on a t-shirt or something, you can't click transparent background over here because there's a crown on. So I'm gonna give you guys a secret website where you can go to get that transparent. So download the video, the image, download it, open up your file manager, and then I'll leave all the links in the description for you guys. Go to the new tab, when you look for Lunar Peak, and so I'll leave this link in the description for you guys. So once you get here, you just click upload. You just press the upload. Sorry for the noise in the background. Just click upload, then you go to your image, for Yeti logo. Okay, click that, and then okay. So you go here to edit, goes right to the bottom and you'll see transparent background. Click that, and then you just press the white. You just press where the white is showing. So you just press it once, scroll down, and then it's transparent. So yeah, if you guys have like a P word here, a P letter, and there's most a small dot in between, just click here, start again, and then you click in the middle of that P, like where the dot is, the white dot. Then that will also make that small dot transparent. And then once you guys are done here and you made it transparent, go to file, save image. You can also press Ctrl S. Okay, and just press save image. You can choose whatever one you want here, but we're just going for PNG for now. And then it will save as a PNG, but it will save as that name. And then what you would want to do is you just wanna go to the files, and then you would wanna, which one was it now again? So you'd wanna go to that one, 39833, 39833, and then you would just say here, wait for it. You just rename it and say Youthful Yeti transparent logo. Okay, so there you go, transparent logo. And yeah, now you got your own normal logo like this, and you got your transparent logo. So yeah, that's basically it. You can use that logos for t-shirts and things like that, the transparent logo. But yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys did enjoy the video and you want to see more videos on what you can do on Canva, like overlays and things like that, like for a stream kit, overlays, webcam overlays, panels, things like that, just comment it down below. I'll be reading the comments, and drop a like on the video, subscribe with notifications, and I'm trying to reach 200 subs. So guys, follow me on my social media accounts, link will be in the description. Follow the clans one as well. Both is gonna be stream links, so click on both links, follow all the socials, and subscribe to the channel with post notifications turned on. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.